So today I'm going to be making this yellow split peas or dal with red and green bell peppers with some lovely Indian spices, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is I've got some yellow split peas that I've cooked. I boiled them for about 30 minutes. They take quite a long time to cook, these ones, not like the red or the small brown dal. So I've got like 3 cups there, 3 cups of cooked dal. I've got 1 onion chopped, and then I've got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper or bell pepper, and tomato. You can kind of see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 or 4 are about the same amount. Then I've got some fresh cilantro or coriander, and in here 1, 2, 3 dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then half a dozen, 5 or 6 green cardamoms, fresh green chili to taste, up to you how much you want to put in, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger, and then here I've got some fresh curry leaves, which are just wonderful. If you can get them, fantastic. If not, try and get dried. And then here 2 teaspoons of 5 spices here. We've got coriander, chili, turmeric, cumin, and garam masala powder. This is very, very easy and delicious. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Let's drop in those guys. So that's cumin seeds, green cardamom, and dried red chili. The heat is on. Just let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse it. We're now going to drop in the fresh curry leaves. We're going to drop in our onion. And we're going to stay on a fairly high heat, and we're going to go for 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, we're now going to drop in that 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add our tomatoes. There's just like 2 medium-sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato because you want them to cook down. We're going to add our fresh chili to taste. And then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take a look. So 2 teaspoons of turmeric, cumin, garam masala powder, coriander, and chili. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder for those that are interested. Okay, we're going to go 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Really want to cook these tomatoes right down. We might get a kind of bit of moisture from them depending on how ripe the tomatoes are that you've used.
Okay, we're now going to drop in that 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add our tomatoes. There's just like 2 medium-sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato because you want them to cook down. We're going to add our fresh chili to taste. And then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take a look. So 2 teaspoons of turmeric, cumin, garam masala powder, coriander, and chili. I'm using the Kashmiri Okay, we're gonna go 4 to 5 minutes, keep it moving. Really wanna cook these tomatoes right down. We might get a kind of bit of moisture from them depending on how ripe the tomatoes are that you've used.
That's cooking down really nicely. Now I'm going to drop in our bell peppers. I'm going for red and green, as you can see. And then we're going to drop in the cooked yellow dal. And we're going to throw this around in the pan for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Fry it around. Very simply, we're going to add some water to that afterwards. And let it go. Really delicious, this one. Okay, fabulous. Just a few minutes there just to kind of get it cooked nicely. Now water. Not enough water to cover it like that. And then we're going to go from a high heat to a medium heat. And we're going to go now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful. Okay, that is beautiful. It's reduced down nicely. Everything's beautifully cooked. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. We've got our cilantro or coriander here. We're going to drop that in. We're going to give that a mix. This beauty is done really, really simple and delicious. I'll see you at the table. So that's great with some rice or with some bread like a roti paratha or something like that. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love.